Hello everyone, this is Emma from Popboxss. Today we are going to unbox something new. So let me show you about something right here. Okay, so let's open about the 400% right here. I really love the color from the packaging even right here. So let me open this one. Wait a second. It's very big and super heavy. Oh my god, look at the Royal Molly, this is so amazing. So you know this one's about the Royal Molly True Love series. And for the whole color scheme, it's about the dark green colors. And also for the whole color here is very light and very soft. Also mixed with a variety of color right here. And also you can see for the dress right here. If you look at in a long distance, it may look like the rolling waves. But actually, when you see the baby in a close distance, that's the rabbit actually. For those baby here, and even for the crown right here, they're all the rabbit, even with the eyes. You know what's the meaning in Chinese? So actually, that means reunion and also means the spaciousness. So even in the crowns, so that is a good meanings in China. And also for the crown right here, that is transsucculent and also contains about the magnetic attraction. So even for the crown right here, it is a transsucculent and also contains about the magnetic attraction. That's so amazing, right, for the baby here. And also for the hands here, you can see it's a movable. Did you hear the sound right here? That is super amazing for the baby. And right here for the material, this is a stone paint. And you know, guess what here? It is also the stone paint, also with the dress right here. So that presenting a tactile sensation on the surface. That's super amazing. So you can see this one's so pretty. It's just like a painting. So that is actually integrating about the ink painting with about the traditional ink techniques into creation. That's so amazing. So that's full of the aesthetic elements, also with about the childlike color, right? It's super amazing when I touch the baby's crown right here. I really love the touch when I feel little one. So you can see if you have them and you can put them at your homes as a decoration, that would be very amazing, right? So this one's about the 400% and we also the 1000%. So everyone about the 400 and also about 1000%. Which one will you prefer? If you want to get that one, you can type it in the comments. And also about these two sides, tell me which one will you prefer.